Hi everyone, this is John. So we are going to do this series where we cover lead code problems one by one, and today we are going to start a simple problem. So this is a question here: create a data frame from list. Write a solution to create a data frame from a 2D list called student data. This 2D list contains the IDs and ages of some students. Data frame should have two columns, student ID and age, and be in the same order as the original 2D list. The result format is in the following example. So if we see the example, what they have given is they have an list with a list of values, that is 1 comma 15, 2 comma 11, 3 comma 11, 4 comma 20. So the output is a table where the first value of the list is being split into student ID and age. So basically we can do this in Python using pandas library. So that is what they have given here, a starting syntax and how we have to start it. So in pandas we do have a class called DataFrame. So this DataFrame will be helpful for doing this particular requirement. So basically the requirement here is whatever the data we feed in the form of list containing list of values inside it, it should be able to put it as a table. So this is very simple. So we are going to do just straight away we are going to do a return pd dot. So pd is nothing but pandas as pd. So pandas dot we are going to call the class data frame, and then we will pass the list, that is student data. I'll just copy this, and then we need the headers, right? Student ID and age. For that we will just add columns equal to, and we will add the list of what is that, student ID comma age, right? Student ID comma age. So that's it in Python. I don't think we need to, I mean, not, don't think we don't need to give any colon at the end or something. So this is a straightforward answer. Let's run and see what happens. Okay, so that went well. And you can see the output here. So the input was the list, that is 1 comma 15, 2 comma 11, 3 comma 11, 420, and the output is, we got it, header student comma age, values will be 11, 15 to 11. So this will be printed as a table. If you use one more uh, pandas library as a table for display, we can do that and we can print it as a table. So as far as this sum problem is considered, this would be the answer for it. So let's sum it, and next video we will see one other problem on LeetCode. Thank you.